You guys fucking hear that?
Yes.
Yeah. He's recording us. Oh, guys.
That's fucking creepy as hell.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is.
What the fuck is up now?
What the fuck? The fuck?
Sounds like he's getting closer.
Oh shit! I hear it over there.
It's coming from there. I didn't. That too.
That's creepy. That bitch is creepy. That's creepy. That's creepy.
No. Help me!
Y'all going now?
No.
I ain't for sure. Hell, no, I ain't going to nothing.
Oh, hell no, I'm not.
I'm getting the fuck out of here.
Oh, God! Help! Get the fuck out of here. We're going to put this on YouTube. Yeah. I know something.
That's creepy as hell.
Oh, God. Wait, we can replay that.
I think I should bring my old bike up.
Can we replay that?
Do you hear that?
Yeah. Things are getting creepy here.
That's a bitch.
Are we in
Camera's
bad
about to
luck
die.
right now? Because we're scared right now. I think we're in bed.
Oh, I'm facing the other way.
No.
Are you not?
No.
None?
None.
Ow! You both still had well green today.